If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice, you don't know say a kogency, but the kogency rocks channel. And today, we have the story of Broadday assassin, BA, AG, the AG gunman. Bro, I wasn't gonna say AG gunman, I was gonna call him an artist, bro, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's what I know him for. But I guess this video is gonna tell me why he's the AG gunman. So, even though in his songs he clearly explains to us why he's the AG gunman, bro. You know what I'm saying? Broadday assassin, bro. You understand? But yo, really and truly, I did this video already, you know. But guess what? I accidentally deleted it, bro. I accidentally deleted the screen recording of it, right? So I was like, you know what? I think it's a sign. Because one, I don't remember anything from the reaction. And then two, you know, I'm in the robe today, bro. And BA, he was in his robe when he jumped out. You understand? When they let him free. So, you know, I had to just jump in my robe and do it, man. Only right, bro. It's only right. I can't even talk. I've done like 10 videos already today, so my brain is just, yeah, man. But yeah, I had to do this though. I couldn't not do it, especially in the robe, fam. And then in my slippers, fam. Oh man, bro, I'm so comfy right now, bro. I'm feeling like BA, bro. You know? So I just want to jump in. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. And let's see why BA is the AG gunman. Broadday assassin. Alright, we glide out differently. They can't do it like we are. Do it for broke or do it for me.
Broadday / BA. Broadday Assassin is a rapper and killer from the active Gxng set in Camden and has grown to prominence in the last 18 months since AG started rapping.
Alright.
He is originally of Mali heritage.
Hey, those last 18 months since AG started rapping, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Drill has been better. I ain't gonna lie. It feel nicer, man. It feel like, you know, like you have something to look forward to. You understand? I know LD's home, bro, so oh god, man, drill is amazing right now.
Was born in London and eventually moved to Camden as an early teenager. Not much is known about his youth, however it's known he was one of the original AG members when it was created in around 2015.
Alright.
Broadday is unusual within AG as he is one of their top scorers and one of their top trappers and has been constantly in and out of jail on gun and drug charges.
So basically, BA is like an AG Richie in his own way, fam. You know what I'm saying? Violent. And he's trapping the fuck out of the alright, bro. You know what I'm saying? All of this is alleged, by the way. You know what I'm saying? PC Anderson, none of this is true.
He has been active in the war between 71st, extinct, and 51st from the beginning, but like sus, it was the murders of Mitch AG Boss, S45 AG, and Civilian in 2018 who turned him into the demon he is today.
RIP, man. See, man. In the robe, man, in the slides, bro. Comfy, bro. Comfy. Come on. Cover the face. I ain't gonna throw up that sign, though. I don't want to get in any trouble. You know what I'm saying? RIP to everybody, bro. RIP, bro. But I ain't gonna throw up the A's, bro. I don't want people to think, you know what I'm saying? I don't want nobody to get me down, you know? So, RIP, bro. RIP AK, man.
Broadday is a known gunman as well as a knife man and has been willing to...
Man said Broadday is a known gunman. How do you know that? I didn't know him as a gunman.
Broadday is a known gunman as well as a knife man and has been willing to ride on Backwater's top killers, not just Gxng and affiliates like some other GMs seem to target. In 2017, he shot up Gambino PW house and chased him. Bino would later kill S45 and AK. He also chased and shot at Bolo PW, however the gun jammed and he referenced this in his verse on No Hook. However, he would score his first...
So we need to go and listen to No Hook after this. Alright, say no more, bro. Say no more.
Point on 51st when him and suspect spotted Toxic QC/51 SD and stabbed him in his hood. Suspect, when out of jail and not on the run, would ride a lot with BA and they would score lots of points together. He didn't stop there, and after he was shot at by 51st, he would ride again and allegedly stab PW/51ST, which would be his first point on Peckwater. BA was turning into a savage, like many of his AG members, and once 2018 rolled around, he would get more active than he ever had been.
Bro, how does this guy know all of this information, bro? Like, how does he know that these two guys did specifically to this one guy? You understand? I can understand if he said, oh, he put in work on this gang, but he knows specifics, bro. Specifics. Pacifics.
And once 2018 rolled around, he would get more active than he ever had been.
Suspect. Bro, I saw a video that said like suspect posted on Snap and it said like suspect's point of view or something. And the video was like somebody recording them driving through London. But I know it's not him, bro, so him can't trick me. Suspect, you can't trick me, bro. I know you're still in Africa, bro. I don't know where in Africa, but I know you're over there. That guy looks scary, fam. Look at his nose,
After the
bro.
deaths of 3 of his close friends in under a year, BA would want revenge. Once Suspect was out of jail in mid-2018, they would be riding together when they spotted Action PW and Celex PW in traffic on Essex Road. They would let off shots and try to stab them in the car but were unsuccessful and would eventually run away due to how bait it was. The footage was later released by the Met, but they never charged anyone to do with the attempted shooting. Soon after, BA and Sus would be riding again, and this time they would score their next.
Well, alright, what I remember is they did actually show this video, but we covered that video though. That little clip that they're going to show, we covered it, bro, in like some London gang violence thing. We didn't even know, fam, that our favorite rappers was involved in this. Alright, allegedly. Let me not say that.
Point together on Cumbo this time. It would be one of Cumbo's top scorers who has scored on over 571st GMs, V1. Instead of filming him like another op of V1s did, they stabbed him 9 times and left him on life support where he eventually recovered. By this time, Sus was drilling every week, and by mid-2019, 2 killers, culprit Cumbo and C-Miz QC boss, were killed by active Gxng. BA wasn't on either drill as he was in jail on drugs charges at the time, but would be out by 2020, when lots of his friends were either lifed off or on the run. I would like to dispel the rumors that Suspect is still in the country.
Yeah.
He is on the run.
Yeah.
And the proof will be in the next slide. R only got arrested as he was caught in a safe house before he could get out of the country.
Jano, dog, free AR, man. But yo, yes, fam, I literally just talked about that, fam. They can't trick me that Suspect is back in the UK, bro. I know he's still in Africa, bro. Because if he was in the UK, it would make headline news, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't think anybody could have kept that on the you know what I'm saying? Everybody would have cared, from his fans to all the ups, because he even gained more ups, bro, since he started rapping. So everybody's waiting for him to come back, bro, I swear. Yeah, this is what we're talking about, yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's the video. We covered that in our London gang movements. Gang movements. Gang video. Gang violence. Tariq Montiero, Suspect. Tariq Montiero, that's Suspect's name. And hey guys, anytime you see Suspect anywhere on Instagram or YouTube, just comment Tariq Montiero, bro. Monterio. Why I keep saying Montiero? Tariq Monterio. I think Siad Mohammed is SY, and I don't know who Yasin Abdi is. Not sure, but these guys are my age, bro. That's the thing, you know. That's why it's so interesting to me as well, you know, that, because these guys are literally my age, fam, and I can't imagine or even fathom, like, I can't imagine or fathom like why, you know, your friend will get killed and want revenge for your friend. But still, man, it's just, I don't know. It's kind of like, is this real life? Like, is this actually happening to niggas that are like me? Because, bro, there's not much difference between me and niggas like this, other than the fact that, you know, they're killers and, you know, they hit the trap and stuff, which is a big difference. And it can happen to any of us, bro. You know, if any of us get raised in the ghetto and don't have proper guidance, we can always end up like these guys, man. That's why I show you guys, man. Let's stop, man. Don't go on the road, bro. Stay inside.
When BA got released, AG were becoming very popular within the drill scene and he would soon start rapping with them. His most famous song was his link-up with Lil Dot's HRB, who is the younger brother of Dot's HRB, who died in a car chase with police. Dot's was close to BA when he was alive, so the link-up was natural and strengthened the alliance between the sets. The song almost his 1 million views twice when it was deleted twice by the police just before it could make it. However, the main reason that the link-up was possible is because of the hook in the song. In July 2020, BDK/Billy the Kid HRB was riding on Stonebridge, long-time ops of Harrow Road, and are the area who stabbed 9's ICB in the face along with that whole beef. BDK hopped out the car and started shooting at Stonebridge members, only for them to return fire and shoot him dead. The saddest part is his own friends would push him out the car to die on the street as they didn't want to get arrested, similar to the Lats Harlem Spartans situation.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm sure the guys that were in the car at that time didn't get like exiled from the gang, because it's like, you know, yeah, they understand that, you know, they just went left. You understand? But anyway, that's from the Lowski story that we did, bro. Go check that out.
This was not long after Muscle HRB and Ahmed HRB in the same year, which caused HRB a lot of pain, as you can tell by Fredo's music at the time. BDK was also mentioned by BA in his song with Lil Dot's Roll Up, which suggests that they also were good friends, as BDK was a very respected older in West London. So BA wanted revenge.
In one of his songs, he said, "Dissin' Billy, I get round quickly, talk on dots and I rise my blicky." And I believe him, bro. R.I.P., man.
In August 2020, Jeffrey Wegg, also known as Gucci Pounder/SSK, was shot dead on the doorstep on his £500,000 home in North Kilburn. He was a 26-year-old respected older, not only in Kilburn but in London, as he had many connections to different gangs across NW, West and South London. He was approached by 2 gunmen on his doorstep who shot multiple times, including a fatal shot to his chest, before they ran back to the car waiting for them and sped away. There has been no arrests in the case, and most likely, there will never be convictions unless someone talks due to the professional style targeted hit.
And you know it's like, dog, whoo, there's a lot to uncover in this. 1, 500k home, and you still get shot down in front of it, fam. So it's like, what's the point of even saying it out to trap to make it out? Because once you start trapping, you're gonna get enemies, bro. And once you have enemies and they do something to you, it's a never-ending cycle of revenge. So it's like 26 with a 500k home. Like, don't get me wrong, at 26 with a 500k home, you're just doing bits, you know, dog. Like, doing really well for yourself, you know, in the trap and money-wise and stuff. But it's like, now, all for what, dog? Because now he's gone now. That if he was the main breadwinner, like, who's winning the bread for the family now? If he has kids, mom to take care of, sisters, brothers, like, it's just so much, dog. You know? And then another part of it is like, it's the roads, so people are going to come and kill him. So it's just that the people who kill him, now they did it the technically right way and not gonna get caught. It's like, Jano, one of our favorite rappers might be that guy. That's mad. Like, this is mad, fam.
It was originally believed that BA was the driver of a motorbike which HRB member of Dot's HRB shot Gucci from. However, this is incorrect, and it...
That's why... Bro! Fam, I followed that VDOT's guy on Instagram the other day, and they were like, oh, he just got freed. And I was like, yo, this guy seems very angry. Okay, so now I see who VDOT's is. Alright, cool.
It's suggested that both were the shooters and another HRB member was driving, although it could have been BA as the driver, as he's been the driver to many AGE drills previous.
Oh. Like, Jano, R.I.P. that. Bro, imagine somebody get the drop on your yard, dog. The man them can literally just wait outside your yard, bro. You're literally a pending pack. Dog, like, that's mad.
Either way, Broadday caught his first body on South Kilburn, close allies of Stonebridge, due to his loyalty to HRB, and is signified the alliance that had been cemented between the gangs.
Allegedly.
Gucci was dissed on Roll Up in the Hook by Lil Dots and has been regularly mocked by active Gxng as well, who take pride in avenging their friend.
Yeah.
The final interesting part of this crazy event in the doorstep that Gucci was standing on. He died in a £500,000 home in an expensive part of NW London, even though he never had a job and his family couldn't afford such a house. This is because Gucci spent his whole life trapping to try and get out of the hood, and it sort of worked, with him being able to purchase a house with his earnings, even if it was in his mother's name. This is really unusual, as most gang members and top trappers in London never get near to buying their own house, and it's just a blind dream that keeps them in their life. Gucci shows even if you get away with it and get that house, you will still be targeted and potentially killed there. Finally, to mock his memory, AG posed outside the house with a music plaque as they did with their other bodies.
Bro, I was literally just, no, not that last part. The one before where they say you can still do all of that, get that house and still be targeted and keep, bro. It's like, so it's like, what's the point of even the risk to reward, bro? Like, the reward is like so small, fam. And even with any reward where you get, you still have a whole bunch of sad shit to go with every reward, bro. Cause every 100K you get, bro, there's like people you have to stab, niggas you have to run down on, niggas shooting at you, robbing you, staying in your shit. You have to stay in other people's shit. Like, bro, it's so much just to get this slicker reward, bro. And then once you get that one reward, you have to go right back to try and get it again. Cause it's like cutthroat like every day. It's just mad, fam. But anyway, let's go. Yeah, that's Jano. Channel. God damn. Yeah, man, that's...
Finally.
Fam, they said the same place that he got packed is the same place that we flex our plaques. Like, dog, that's... Whew. Disgusting.
After getting away with murder, BA focused much more...
Wait, my... Hey, UK drillers, hey, bro. Allegedly, fam, allegedly.
Finally, after getting away with murder, BA focused much more of trapping to lay low. However, it wouldn't last long and he'd soon be back in prison. He spent most of his time out of prison trapping and making money, but he also allegedly stabbed Gxng during this time, although it could have been at an earlier date. The oboe was real on him though after the murder and would be arrested on gun charges in early 2021.
Wow.
Scam, Hitman and many other top drillers in active Gxng were all in jail at the time under gun or murder charges, which shows how active Gxng.
You know what I'm saying? Like, while these guys are making music and putting out videos and having us over here thinking like, yeah, the man them in the studio. Man them in no studio, bro. The man them probably go studio for like 2 hours out of the day and the rest of the day is just trapping and banging. Like, fam, like, I would prefer if you guys stayed more in the studio though.
Century really are. However, in summer 2021, Scam and BA would both beat their separate cases and return home within weeks of each other and quickly sending for ops over Snapchat. They allegedly stabbed Psycho Pound R/SSK on South Kilburn Main's Withing Days. However, it could have been another SSK member. In August 2021, just under a year since Gucci's murder, Peckwater were having a block party and were claiming AGR just rappers and won't pull up. BA sent shots back claiming his preying and they should expect a visit very soon. Within hours, 4 people were shot on the Peckwater block, 3 women and a 28-year-old man. One of the women was in her 70s and only came out to ask for the music to be turned down before catching a stray. The 2 other girls were just there for the party, and the video of them on the floor is really sad to watch as they have no involvement in the beef.
Bro, I was saying, in the last one, before I deleted it, I was, dog, that 70-year-old lady must be like, bro, I'm tired of these young people in a dog. Like, I want all of these young people to, like, you understand? Because imagine, you're there in your yard, these young people throwing an illegal house party. One, you go over there to alright, just turn down the music, please. No, as soon as you go over there and knock on the door, hello, can you guys turn down the music, please? Yo, shit. Next thing you know, she get hit. 70-year-old lady. Mad. Even the other two girls, fam, the two women, like, no involvement, bro. That's mad, fam. That's why I don't go to parties in the ghetto, you know, bro. Cause you never know when niggas going pull up, fam. And I'm serious, dog. Like, niggas think it's like sweet, or like niggas think it's cool to be in like the hood partying in like another nigga's hood, and like, but you don't know the beef that's going on in that nigga's hood, bro. And when niggas pull up and start shooting, they don't give a fuck who you is. They don't even know who you are. They're just gonna assume that you're one of them. Yeah, fam. I don't play around like that, bro. From I was young, bro. I don't go to other niggas' hoods and like just party, bro. I don't go to niggas' hoods for any reason, fam. You understand? I know better, bro. From young, fam. From young, I knew better.
The man who was shot was alleged to have been Drill's QC boss. However, he denied this, and he's in his early 20s, so it wasn't him who got hit. Just 4 days after, BA was arrested and recalled to prison, where he remains to this day. He was arrested for the quad shooting but released, and he recently dropped his first solo song, which had Fredo and Lil Chabi in the video. I thought the song was kinda bad, and I know he can do better, but I'm sure the active Gxng fanboys.
Yeah, this was what kind of got me upset last time in the video. Cause I'm like, I thought the song was bad, and I know he can do better, but I'm sure the active gang fanboys loved it. Bro, just because you like something doesn't make you a fanboy, bro. And like literally in my reaction, I broke down everything, bro. In the beat, we had everything that beat could have give us, bro. 808s, kicks, snares, snare pattern, melodies, adding and taking out melodies, and all of the frequencies don't overpower Broadday voice. That's one. For Broadday now, we got a catchy hook. That's 90% of people's songs nowadays, bro. Cause you gotta remember the hook mostly. And then in his verses, his timing was on. He was rapping like real shit, bro. He was like, you know what I'm saying? Like every line was like, yeah, it had a meaning, or it was there for a reason. And then we had flows on top of it, bro. So I don't know how this guy don't like Honorably, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, bro. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. But in my opinion, if you don't like that song, your opinion on music, no one should care about it. But anyway, man, let's just continue, man. Cause I don't see how can you not like that song, bro. There's literally nothing wrong with it. Anyway, let me continue.
Loved it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you too.
Yeah, man, I tune in for whoa. What is all of this? What you not do? Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Listen. Yeah, man, I did enjoy it, man. I did enjoy it. I enjoyed the video, bro. Thank you. So, oh my God. Now we finally know the story of the AG gunman. I know I had to dress up in the robe, so I fully understand his life right now, bro. I feel like I'm Broadday, bro. Nah, I don't want to feel like I'm Broadday, bro. No, I really don't, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to. But we find out who Broadday Assassin is. Well, who he told us who Broadday Assassin is. That's why I kind of want these guys to do like interviews as well. But when drill artists or like gangster niggas do interviews, bro, they're so lame, fam. Because these niggas don't talk about anything. So it's like, it's better these guys make videos on them, because they tell us the shit that we want to hear. When you go into something in an interview and go listen to them, they ain't gonna tell you anything, which is fine, because I guess, you know, they don't want to be, you know, seen as a snitch and stuff. But, you know, it's for my entertainment. But anyway, man, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, and let me know what you want me to react to next. I reply to all the comments, and just comment anything, bro, because I say I reply to all the comments. Kogency, the Kogency reacts channel, and I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.